Tim, heading into the fourth session, you had Patricio Lugo there in the 149. The match and everything. How do you think it went? And just your final thoughts.
He wrestled hard. He couldn't get any scores. He couldn't get his offense going. I mean, the kid's really good. The kid was seated third, and he's an older guy. Hats off to him. But, we're close. We just, we have to go back to Edinboro and start work.
Mm-hmm. And just your thoughts on how everybody competed this weekend. I know I've been asking you that time and time again after each session, but now that everything is in the bag, just looking forward, the underclassmen that are potentially can move on and be back here next year, and the people that you already have that could progressively get here.
Hopefully it fuels their training for the spring and summer, and makes them better. Because if you don't come back stronger, then it is a bad thing. So hopefully, you see a bigger, stronger, faster Pat Lugo, Sean Russell, Billy Miller, Austin Matthews, and then we'll be okay.
And when I was interviewing them earlier after their defeats, all of them touched on the fact that this is going to be great training for them over the summer during the off season. What does that say to you, the fact that they are saying that themselves and it's not you or Cliff or Mitch instilling that in them?
Yeah, well, I think it says that, one, they know that they need it, and two, they're willing to do it. So that's a good thing.
And just any final thoughts before we catch up with you back at the Borough?
Nope. Tomorrow's another day.
All right. Awesome, Tim. We'll see you in St. Louis next year.
Yep. Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
This is everything this weekend.